I won't go back, I'm always on the right. Got no room for regrets, no whining. Hit the road, never look behind it. I won't go back, I'm always on the right. Got no room for regrets, no whining. Hit the road, never look behind
Yeah,
it.
got 4 rupees in my pocket, I put them all on the music. I used to think that I will make it, but truth is, who knows unless we try it? Who knows unless we cope with it? So let's hit the road, let's shoot the walk, let's spit everything we got in it. Look, last night I had a dream, everything I did was supreme. That's the reason I never let confusion rage in my theme. Straight off, I made a decision to do whatever I feel. Money can't buy you skills, hard work will give you skills. Look, I'm walking round the clock, not for low. You don't like what I'm doing, then what are you here for? This music got me exposed all of my egos. If this the disease, then I'm infected by it long ago. If this isn't real, then why would I say so? Look, people hate those people trying to get. Why would I hear out to these people without intention to wreck my bigger picture? I'd rather give them no space. I'd rather give time to these people who are trying to brace me in my grind, yeah.
I won't go back, I'm always on the right. Got no room for regrets, no one. Hit the road, never look behind me. I won't go back, I'm always on the right. Got no room for regrets, no one. Hit the road, never look behind me.
I know it's up for me to become a person. You know something what I did is not compared with someone. I know every step I take is in every unique way. If you can tell me what I'm doing, then me better out one day. Even people told of this, all I did is a bad one. I return across my opening for a bright reason. Or you can tell me that I was born in the wrong generation. You never know other generation, maybe I'm the mortician. Alone inspire me that I should not give up. Now you see me, I'm live on the battlefield, no hope, still fight to survive. I took it with aim in my life. What I get and make a living, what I give and make a life. If you're thinking of me that I ain't got nothing, I ain't got no worry, cause I gotta be patient on what I'm doing. No time for the haters and listen, walking my own way and trying to fulfill my destination.
I won't go back, I'm always on the right. Got no room for regrets, no one. Hit the road, never look behind.
Yeah, I'm in the room with pen, I'm a notepad. Joe, what I have to kill track. I'm on the bow spot, all set to race hard. Let's combat, make sure I'm close to white flag. Lose, I will fight back. Never let this face and doubt conceal on my plot. Look, I got trust from my team, plus I'm ambitious. I've been taking some losses, it don't matter what the cost is. My music is like a movie, giving you stories to relate with. And all I want is people put this on their playlist.